A major storm system that pummeled the Pacific Northwest with high winds and rain making its way to our region.
As Casey mentioned, some rain is expected in LA and Ventura counties. KTLA's Jean Kang live in Camarillo this morning. Jean, looks dry out there right now.
Good morning, Megan and Lauren. This is the calm before the storm, you could say. We're going to have a 1-2 punch when it comes to Mother Nature. A couple of storms that will be blowing through. As we know, it's already up north in Northern California right now. They are getting slammed with it. They're drenched, but we're live here in Ventura County. Right behind me, you see some sandbags. This is fire station number 55. They are ready to go just in case. And of course, our Casey Montoya is taking a look at that weather right now. But take a look at this video. The atmospheric river has drenched Northern California. As I just said, that tropical moisture is heading our way. The first storm is predicted to bring less than half an inch of rain to some areas of Ventura County. The second storm expected to hit by Tuesday with about the same amount of precipitation. The National Weather Service says these storms aren't expected to cause major issues, but residents should remain aware of changing conditions. As we know, the atmosphere and the weather could change very quickly, including the possibility of some minor flooding due to clogged drains or some runoff. And as we showed you earlier, those sandbags are available for those who may be at risk of post-fire debris flows. This is the Mountain Fire Burn Scar area, and could be some localized flooding, so be careful for that. Pre-filled sandbags are ready for pickup. There's 2 different locations in Camarillo, Mission Drive and San Clemente Way, Mission Drive and West Highland Drive as well. And of course, firefighters are much more than willing to help you out if you need that, especially those folks who may be elderly, those who just need some assistance. Back out here live. As that rain will be coming through, stay safe, keep an eye on the weather this weekend. And speaking of weather, our very own Casey Montoya, I think, will be very busy taking a look at those impending storms that are headed our way. Casey?
Yeah, Jean is right. There's a series of storms. So the first one today, and again, I love that they're prepared with those sandbags, but we are expecting light amounts of rain unless you're in some of those mountain areas like Santa Lucia Mountains where we could see a couple of inches. Storm tracker, though, showing us the moisture in the atmosphere. This is moving into our area today. It does lose some steam by the time it gets here, so we'll look in just a second at what we're expecting for the rest of the afternoon, but it's not going to ruin some outdoor plans today. Light scattered showers. Yesterday, downtown, 75, so we were actually above average. Normal temperature for us is 71 this time of year. Right now it's 44 downtown, also 44 in Burbank, 54 in Lancaster, 41 degrees in Riverside. And here's the difference from this time yesterday. So much warmer for some spots, and it is 3 degrees cooler right now in Ontario. Another day where air quality is good to moderate for everyone, but the big weather story. Yes, we hear these terms, bomb cyclone, bombogenesis. Just know, bomb cyclone not making its way to Southern California. The real severe weather that hit Northern California, we're just getting remnants from that storm. And then notice these cyclones. These are what we call mid-latitude cyclones. They are going to bring more moisture into the region over the next couple of days. So after today's light showers, we'll dry out on Sunday, and then we have the chance of seeing some more rain as we head into the first part of next week. But the good news is, looks like we're going to be dry for Thanksgiving. Here's a look at what we can expect for the next few hours or so. So we'll start to see an increase in clouds, and not everyone will see rain today. Notice how, again, loses steam as this makes its way into the region, but there is a good shot that a lot of us will see some light shower activity as we head into the afternoon. How much rain? Well, by about 10:30, the green starts appearing. This is less than a half an inch. And then you can see as we head into tonight, not everyone, again, expected to get rain. We're just going to see light rain less than a half an inch. I think realistically, most of us see less than 1/10 of an inch, but it's enough to be a little moist and soggy outside. Lots of cloud coverage, so definitely feeling like a damp day for all of us. 63 will be the high for Palmdale today, 59 in Burbank. Along the coast this afternoon, 60 for Long Beach, 65 in Pomona today, 61 for Laguna Beach, and 68 will be the high for Eastvale. And for the LA Basin today, 64. Good chance of seeing some light showers later today. Mostly cloudy but dry for your Sunday. And then there's a good shot of seeing some more shower activity each day through Wednesday. But again, drying out Thursday, Friday. Temperatures will stay below average all week. Inland Empire, 68 today. Slight chance of showers for you guys today. Partly cloudy. cloudy and dry Sunday, and then we bring the chance of rain back in Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. For the San Fernando Valley, today up to 62 degrees. Chance of showers for you also today. A little bit warmer tomorrow, but dry. We will bring the chance of rain back in Monday, Tuesday. Slight chance remains Wednesday. And finally, for the mountain communities, 53 today, partly cloudy and windy. You should stay dry today and tomorrow. Slight chance of showers, snow showers begins on Monday. And those snow levels should stay above 8,000 feet Monday, Tuesday. If we do see precipitation for you guys on Wednesday, expect snow levels down to about 7,000 feet. And we'll check the rest of your 7 days coming up after a quick break.